Everybody take breathe in, hit wow. Thosa. Hit wow. Thosa. Hit wow. Thosa. Hit wow. And then Thosa. And now everybody come back and come in the sitting position. And go to Kuisung Dang. Little. Hold your feet, just stay. Very normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Come in the butterfly. Hold your feet. Thumb low and swing your knee together for some time. Mochut kuegi. Khong kam se. Place your palm on the knee and two push knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Hit wow and Thosa. Very slowly, two, just squeeze one, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hit wow, come back. Chok chan, your legs together. Put your both arms front. Go to the long sao and then high chan lane both legs up. 1, 2, down low, high thigh swung. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Again, come back in the butterfly. Palm on the knee. Inhale and exhale. Slowly just bend down. Kuiswang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Bend your legs. Legs together. Gap chan, chok chan. Same. Both arms front. And then high chan lane. Legs out. Same. 1. Flex your feet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then again come back in the butterfly. This time take the wheel on your back, on the back. Yes, and the same, everybody just line on the wheel, put your arms back and then just stay there. Difficult, so you can make a little gap in between your spine and wheel. 1, thumb tie your arms straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Take the wheel in front of you, both palm on the wheel, and now push the wheel front maximally and then lower your head down. 1, arm straight, thang tai. 2, nhìn xuống. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back again, gap chan and then and relax, lift it. This time high lane, stretch your arm, loose out, and again high chan lane your both legs out, flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. High chan swung, hit wow, thang tai thang low, and toes up, pui swung, just bend down. Hold your feet and flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hit wow, hai tai lane, and toes up, then hai tai swing. Jump chan, open your both legs, your side legs. Flex your feet. Jump tai, open arms, hit wow, and toes up, right hand down, your left arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, come back, exhale, same on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Hold your right foot, flex your foot, and touch your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, turn on your left side, hold your left foot and flex your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, and come back. Bend forward, pui swung, thang tai or gap tai, jam tai, anything you can, you just try. 1, duak the, so you can down more. Khom duak, so khom ka. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back, bend your left leg and left leg just inside. Bend your right leg and right hand under right hand. Tatka Piazzoy, this posture, option 1, hold with your left hand, lift the leg just out and with leg. Khom duak, jat kho. So just put the leg front and then just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax, come back. Same, another side, left hand under left leg. Hold with your right hand, the same option. Option 1, leg up, chest out. Option high, put your leg front and hold with your both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, and now relax. Hey Motlan, Jam Bhaijan, open your both legs your sideways. Hai Tai Leng, both arms up. Inhale, stretch your arms and exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, come back, tap chung tha, and exhale, bend on the left. Thang lung. Inhale, come back, exhale, again, bend on the right and stay. 1, 2, 3, thang tai, 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back, exhale, tiap tu, bend on the left side. 1, tai sao, thang lung, 4, 5, and now 6, inhale, come back, exhale, high thigh small. Again, take the wheel on the back. Same line one. Just go back on the wheel, drop your head down and put your both arms back and just stay. Khom do up. Yes, thang tai, thigh sao, chup tai or dan tai, and give the whole arm stretch and work in your whole spine. Combine the practice with your hip and your spine stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back. Take the wheel with you, the front side. Both hands on the wheel, and then just push your wheel front and then bend back. But try your both palms should be top of the wheel. Focus more, come to him, hard look. Stretching your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back everybody. Relax. Palm turn, relax together. Move your legs. Jam tai, open arm, shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, turn on the left side, Samchai, without twisting. Both palms may align. Push your hip down, robo pose one. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Use your shoulder strength. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Again, Hemodlan. Inhale, come back, and exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back, and exhale, twist one, bend down, hold your feet, and then just flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Gap Hai Chan, bend your both legs and hold your big toes. Lift your both legs up, Hai Chan Leng, and then Jan Chan, open legs your sidewise and then comes up. Once again, try. 1, 2, 3, home south, up 2, 5, comes out, hey, plump, try. Is happen, fall down, try again, fall down, try again, fall down, try again, try again, all the time. Okay, good. Legs together, gap chan chan soon and high thigh sound. Hip wow, open shoulder, and thumbs up and mountain, lift your hip. Press your palm and keep opening your shoulder and open your lungs. 2, more lane, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back. Monk Swan. Everybody thang chan. Keep your both legs straight and put your left leg on your right upper thigh. Hit wow, high thigh lane, and thumbs up. Quiz one. Bend down on the right foot and flex your right foot. Hit wow, high thigh lane, and thumbs are then high thigh swan. Now put your right leg on your left upper thigh. Doak khom doak, khom sao. Put your right leg under your hip. No problem. Knee pain, ankle pain, maybe hip stiffness, you cannot, so no problem. Put the leg under the hip. After another practice today, that is the arm balancing, just take the broad side of your hip. Good. So again option 1, those members can press the palm, lift the knee and try to lift your posture. Khom do up. So only at least try to lift the hip. Do at least one thing. Come on. Do up. Lane. Khom do up. Down the swan only. 1, 2. Tie down, khom kan tap. 3, 4, noi eat tap nyo. 5, and now 6. Relax. Somewhat. Hang relax your legs. Right leg on your left upper thigh. Hit wow, high thigh lane. And thumbs are then quiz one, bend down. Hit wow, high thigh lane. And thumbs are then high thigh swan. Same practice, your left leg put on your right upper thigh. Khom doak, khom sao. Any portion you cannot complete, no problem, but try to give practice. So same option more. Try to lift your posture, leviate from the ground. Cannot, so just only lift your hip also, that's it. At least do something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. This is your body weight now. You have to carry your body weight. Relax, function, move your legs. Bend your both legs under your hip. And come in the downward facing dog. Thang tai thang chan and then just thang. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Chan chai lane. Your left leg up. Chan chai chuak. Left leg in between your both arms. Everybody take the one block, both block. And put the one block, same line of your left leg. Chan chai block, same line. Little bit gap. And now hit wow, high thigh lane. Your both arms up. And thumbs up, left hand tai chai swung, chan phi lane, tai phi lane, and then nin lane. Look up. Comes out. Hey, no, up. Once again, try. Nin lane, combo, so nin swung. 1, need to be focused. Balancing, kan, neo, tap chuk. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chân phải xuống. Downward facing dog. Chân phải lên, your right leg up. Chân phải chuak, right leg between arms. Now the block, same line of your right leg. Again, inhale, both arms up, high thigh lane in the high lunge. And exhale, toes up, thigh five, your right hand down, thigh five swung, chân chai lane. Nin lane, khom duak, so nin swung. You try to look up, if you can't look up, you cannot balance, so nin swung. 1, balance the 2, 3, 4, 5, left hand do 6, and then relax. Thighs one, chins one, and downward facing dog. Anglum, chân chai lane, your left leg up. Chân chai chuak, left leg in between your both arms. So this time block Mo Chut 5 on the right side. Mo Chut 5. Again, hit wow, high thigh lane, your both arms up. And now this time your right hand, thigh 5. Thigh 5 swung, and then chân 5 lane, thigh chai lane. Your right hand down, right leg up, and your left hand up. The reverse side, we say the reverse half moon pose. The block you are using only for the spot. Do not put your body weight on it. 1, up 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Thigh swung, chin swung, downward facing dog. Your hands down, your legs down, and downward facing dog. Right leg up, chin phi lane, chin phi chuak, right leg in between your arms. So this time block Mo Chut Chai, just put on the left side. Again, hit wow, high thigh lane, your both arms up, and toes up. When you exhale, thigh chai swung, chân chai lane, and thigh phi lane. Your left hand down, your left leg up, and right hand up. Block, don't put the body weight. Just keep lifting yourself upward. 1, so that your arms, your shoulder align in one line. 2, 3, don't touch them, let them hold. 4, 5, and now 6. Come on, downward facing dog. Thigh thumb chin and thumb. Come in the meow meow pose. Yes, meow meow pose. Everybody take that. Will be good. Place the palm on the wheel. First, your hip more sound, and then push the wheel front. Maintain the position, and slowly, to just squeeze one. Bend down. Maintain your hip to knee align. More down way, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come on, sitting position, and then stand on the plate. Now we go some gentle back bending first. Put your hands on your hip. Om Hai Thai Sound. Inhale. open shoulder, exhale, push your hip front and then bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Second time, the same pose, lung high. Hit wow, konkan tap nyo, tap it, and thumbs up, push your hip front and bend back. Elbow closer, opening in your shoulder and in your upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax first. We'll go the second practice in the back bending. This time put your hands on the back, a bit up. Inhale and exhale, push your hip front and then bend back. Elbow closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax it. Once again the same practice, after we will change it. Inhale and exhale, push your hip front and then bend back. Same. 1, 2 to hit wall, 2 to thousand, slowly inhalation and exhalation. 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, now relax. Come in the cat pose first and come in the downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang jen and thang low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Chan chai lane. Lift your left leg up in the one leg downward facing dog. Thang mong, your hip square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left leg in between your arms. Chan chai chua. Hit bow. Hai tai lane. Your both arms up. Just bring the palm together. 1, 2, 3 and now 4. Jang tai. Thang chen and just literally just bend down. Very nice practice to build up strength in your hip and in your legs muscle. Mid thumb, look front everybody. And just focus on your left hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Once again, Gap Chan Chai and hit wow, Hai Tai Lin, your both arms up. And Thauza Hai Tai Swang, Chan Chai Lane, He both land. One more time, left leg up. Chan Chai Chuak, left leg in between your both arms. Inhale, both arms up and bring your palm together. This time again, Jang Tai, but will come in the warrior 3 pose. From here, just try to lift the right leg and now maintain the position in the warrior 3, the balancing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Very good. Chan Swang, Tai Swang and now Then Mon Lan, Chan Chai Lane. Now Nin Thang, Nin Praveen first. Chan Chai Lane and now look the left leg right side and now come in the half wheel pose from here. Takdi, Nin Zoe. 1. Chan Phai Swang, drop the right leg down in the half wheel pose. Mot Tai Swang. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Chan Phai Lane now, they have to continuous another side. chuak. Right leg in between your arms. Inhale, both arms up and bring your palm together. Just control. When you exhale, try to keep the legs straight. Jang thigh slowly. Mom thumb hip square. Slowly, 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 slowly. Two. Uyuswam bend down. Maintain your hip to shoulder and 90. 1, 2, turn 5, 4, 5, and now 6. Again, Gapchan 5 and high thigh lane in the high lunge position. Hit wow. And toes are high thigh swung. Chan 5 lane. Your right leg up. Quên rồi. Chan 5 chuak. I'm giving you some relaxation alternate. Again, hit bow, high thigh lane, your both arms up. And now, jang thigh first. And now just come in the warrior 3 pose. Chan chai lane. 1, no dancing. 2, 3, 4. Don't touch them. Balancing, don't touch them. 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so downward facing dog, Chan 5 lane again. Chan 5 lane, and now drop the right leg on the left side, Chan 5 swung, chai. 1 hand down, 2 hand down, just you try. 1, 2, Jang Chan Mochuk, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay. Relax, downward dog, and come in the child relaxation. Relax. Relax. All thumbs up. Child pose. All thumbs up. Child pose. Yes. Little bit open knee. Long swirl. Oh. Relax. One foot. Khong noi. Sitting position, and then stand on your feet. We come back again with the back bending. Now Nam Hai Kocha. We are combining our practice, balance, hip, back. Later we'll go some other. So Nam Hai Kocha, you all know. Option 1, flattened feet. Option 2, stand on the toe. Option 3, with high pro. And option bone, Khom Duak, so Om Hai Thai sound. Come on, Abdi. Just try. Take block. Push the in front. Come works with the block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Come in the downward facing dog. Thang tai thang chen, and then thang knee. Your legs straight, your arms straight, and your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chan chai lane, your left leg up. And now come in the pigeon pose from the left leg side. Pigeon pose. Chan chai chuak. Left leg in between your arms. Very good. So again, optional pose. Option 1, just simply Moth thigh lane, thigh phi lane. Bend back. Option, high thigh lane. Khom duak, thigh lane, khom duak. So khom kan, thigh swung, and then bend back. Just try. Thigh lane, just khom. So khom kan thigh lane. When you're lifting arm difficult, so not it. If you can, then you can try. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, twist 1, bend down. Gap chan 5 and Namko chan 5. Bend your right leg and try to hold your right ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Come back, downward facing dog. You can make any variation. Chan 5 leg, right leg up. Now pigeon pose from the right hand side. In between your both arms. Same thing, same motions you have, over leg, high leg, gap chan chai, hold the foot, anything. Anything you can do. Nice one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, now relax. Gap chan chai and Namko chan chai, and then twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Downward facing dog again. So this time will come in our intensive hip stretch, a bit challenging. Chan chai lane, left leg up. Chan chai chua, left leg in between arms. And now high chan swap. Monkey pose. Options, do almost.
Depends on
but never ever compare yourself with others. Just focus on your practice. Everybody is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and now 10. Quiz one, bend down. Come on. Thang right over, super high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Relax. Palm jump, back straight. Relax your legs. Move your legs. Jang tight, open arms, shoulder level. Hip bow and Thauza Sanjay, turn on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. 5, bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist 1, bend down. Hold your feet and then just flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Take the wheel again, people. Wheel on the back. Yes. And lie on the wheel again. Thangjan, Gokjan, Monglen, Mongkon, Tapan. Anything you can do. You can roll, you can jump, mountain, high jumping, you can rolling. Anything you can be practiced on the day. But you have to control yourself, control your body balance on the field. Cannot control, so go with a very simple, very comfortable option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now relax, come back slowly. Squeeze 1, bend forward, bend down, Songzoi, Squeeze 1, bend down, relax, 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 relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now come in the downward facing dog. Come on, thang tay, thang chân, thang lưng. Chân trái lên, your left leg up. Chân trái chuak, left leg in between your both arms. Everybody drop your right heel on the ground. Left hand under left leg and none go thigh fly. None go thigh fly. None go thigh fly. None go thigh fly. Thigh chai, south chân chai. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thigh chai, south chân chai. Yes. And after Nim Thang Now chân phải chuak, right leg just front. Also knee palm. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now one more. Try to be stand on your right leg. Gap chan chai you can be. Thang chan chai you can be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sonjoy. Downward facing dog. Come on. Downward dog. When you practice balancing, you try to focus. Come on. Balancing is all about your strength and your awareness. Chân phải lên, your right leg up. Chân phải chuak, right leg in between arms. Drop your left heel. Now, right hand under leg, right leg. Thigh phải, sau chân phải, nằm to thigh child, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Chân chai chuak, left leg front and now stay. 1, 2, 3, and now 4. Now slowly, don't lane. You have to be stand on your left leg. 1, 2, 3. Xong rồi. Lucy, how many straps we have here? You can see. Strap. Your guys here. So do one thing. Two member. Take one. Two member. Take one. Make the couple. Make one couple. Two member. One second. First, everybody come near. First, we will practice the. They love so much. Huh? So first we will practice the back bending. One practice and second we will see how much time we have. So back bending we will go 3 rounds. We will cover. You explain it also. We will cover the lower back first round. Less open. Yes. And in my side, inhale. You have to be controlled. First practice, more high up, more. More is okay, okay, relax. Puiso, bend down. Yes, bend down. Bend down. Puiso 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Come back. Second time. Yes. Same again. Good. You have to be small, but don't lose them. Don't lose it. You have to control it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. After twist one, remove it. After that, you finish that. Hold down. One more practice, then upper back. Upper back. Yes. Again. Again. Inhale. Hold the hand. Yes. Down. Good. And you have to be controlled here. Upper back you cannot, so you can also hold Just try. Just try. But try to be nuan thang chan. Your legs straight. Okay, relax. If one you say one intensive option, one advanced option, if any member can, so they can do the complete wheel pose also. You can do it. Chioy, I'll show you the one more fourth option. Complete. There is also four. If you can do the complete wheel pose again, control it, slowly control. Duak, then up. Home duak, so bar tak praveen noise hoy. Yeah. Bar tak praveen noise then is. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaste, Master Praveen here. If you all like my videos, so please like, share, subscribe and comment. And please don't forget to press the bell icon for my more latest update. Thank you very much.